Hello everyone. Welcome to this short demonstration of our Django-based web application called BIVGS, which stands for Beyond Individual Grades, Visual and Guided Stories. This project is developed as part of the course ELE 3921, Web Applications Development, and it's a collaborative effort by 3 group members. Our core goal with BIVGS is to move beyond the limitations of traditional grading systems. Instead of reducing a student's progress to a simple letter or percentage, we wanted to create a platform that reveals trends, offers comparisons, and provides meaningful context. With BIVGS, every user, whether a student, parent, teacher, or school leader, receives insights that are tailored to their role, helping them see the full story behind academic performance. The website begins with a clean, intuitive layout featuring a home page with an overview of our system, an info section explaining the features and values behind BIVGS, a contact page for inquiries and support, and a login page where users sign in to access personalized dashboards. In this video, we'll guide you through the core features of the application, including secure login, role-based access, form handling, data validation, and interactive visualizations that make academic data more meaningful. Now, let's log in as Sigr Kowalski, a parent who has 2 children enrolled in the school, Sarah Kowalski, in class group 2025 G11, and Nathan Kowalski, in class group 2025 G9. Once logged in, Sigr is greeted with a personalized parent dashboard that gives a quick overview of her children's academic progress. From this dashboard, we see summaries for both children. Sarah Kowalski is in class group 2025 G11, with an average score of 63.97% across 5 subjects. Nathan Kowalski is in class group 2025 G9, with an average score of 69.34% across 5 subjects. Each child's card provides a quick summary of their academic year, class group, subject count, and average score, giving parents an immediate snapshot of performance. Let's explore Sarah Kowalski's dashboard for a deeper look. Her dashboard provides comprehensive insights including class group, 2025 G11. Academic year, 2025. Class teacher, Joanna Erickson. GPA, 2.00. Average grade, C. Average score, 63.97%. Below this, we see a set of tools and insights that help track and understand her academic journey. Subjects, to view her enrolled subjects. Exam results, detailed scores across all tests. Exam timetable, for tracking upcoming exams. Performance tracking, charts and trend analysis. Grade insights, to understand grading patterns. Report card, a summarized performance view. Subject comments, personalized feedback from teachers. Report card, PDF, downloadable and shareable. Contact teachers, allowing parents to communicate directly with class or subject teachers. All of this is accessible from a single dashboard, allowing parents like Sigr to get a complete picture of Sarah's academic life. We can do the same with Nathan Kowalski. Clicking into Nathan's dashboard reveals similar details for class group 2025 G9, including his GPA, average score, exam performance, and teacher feedback, all customized to his academic level. This dashboard-centered design makes it easy for parents too. Now that we've explored the full capabilities of the parent dashboard for Sigr Kowalski, including insights into both Sarah and Nathan's academic journeys, let's go ahead and log out from the parent account. Now, we'll log in as Nathan Kowalski himself to see what the student dashboard looks like, which is tailored specifically to the individual student's academic view. After logging in, we're greeted with a personalized welcome. Welcome, Nathan Kowalski. Your role is student. This dashboard provides Nathan with everything he needs to monitor his academic progress and stay on top of his studies. Key academic information is displayed up front. Current class group. My average score. Total subjects. Just like the parent view, Nathan has access to a set of quick access tools that give him full visibility into his academic progress, but only for himself. These tools aren't just about viewing data. They are designed to support Nathan in becoming an active participant in his own learning. With features like performance stats and grade insights, he can clearly see how he's progressing over time, where he stands compared to class averages, and which subjects may need more attention. The subject comments section offers personalized feedback from teachers, helping him reflect on specific strengths and areas for improvement. And if he feels uncertain or wants additional help, the Contact Teachers feature allows him to reach out directly to his subject teachers or class teacher for clarification or guidance. By using this dashboard regularly, Nathan can take control of his academic journey, stay motivated, and make informed decisions about how to improve, all within a supportive and transparent environment. Now that we've seen how the student dashboard helps learners like Nathan stay on top of their academic progress and take ownership of their learning, let's go ahead and log out from the student account. Next, we'll log in as a teacher to explore how the platform supports educators in managing their classes, monitoring student performance, and providing personalized feedback, all from one centralized dashboard. Now, let's log in as a subject teacher. In this case, we're logging in as Alessia Russo, who teaches Basics of Computing to Class Group 2025 G9. The dashboard immediately gives Alessia an overview of how her students are performing in her subject, all in one place. She's able to track exam stats, grade distribution, performance trends, and see exactly where her students are excelling or struggling. Here's the subject performance summary for Basics of Computing. Average score, highest score, lowest score, pass rate, standard deviation, exam count, last exam date. These statistics help Alessia understand not just the averages, but also the spread, how consistent student performance is, and whether specific interventions may be needed. Next, under My Students, Alessia can view the full list of learners enrolled in her subject, in this case, 58 students. To manage this more effectively, she can use smart filters based on performance status, outstanding, very good, good, fair, at risk, critical, class group, gender. Let's say Alessia is trying to identify high performers. She selects outstanding and clicks Apply Filter. No results found. This tells her no students have yet reached the highest category, a useful insight for targeted support. Now, she selects Fair, and sees that 23 students fall into this middle category. To go even further, she filters for male students, and finds 10 males in this range. This helps her understand performance breakdowns across gender and learning levels. With one click on Reset, she returns to the full view of her student list. As we know, entering marks manually can be time-consuming and error-prone. So, in the Update Marks tab, Alessia can simply upload a spreadsheet of scores, and then make real-time edits if needed. Here, we see Alessia Russo is the subject teacher of only Basics of Computing, so can update only this subject paper. For examples, let's say Alessia needs to update scores for 3 students. Maria 60. Tyler 90. Adam 50. She updates the numbers directly in the table, scrolls down, and clicks Update Marks. The changes are saved immediately. This streamlined approach ensures no data is lost, and batch edits are fast and intuitive, solving one of the biggest pain points for educators. Finally, Alessia can analyze performance charts, which display grade distribution across all her students, including overall class distribution, performance split by male and female students, visual summaries of how different groups are progressing. This enables her to quickly identify trends, gender disparities, or areas that may need curriculum adjustments. As a subject teacher, Alessia now has full visibility into her class performance, can grade efficiently, and offer tailored support, all backed by data. Whether it's spotting trends, reaching out to specific learners, or preparing for parent-teacher meetings, this dashboard empowers her to teach smarter, not harder. Now that we've seen how Alessia manages her subject and students, let's log her out and step into the shoes of someone who sees the bigger picture, the head of Department for Computer Studies, which is Rachel Wang. Now we will log in as Rachel Wang, the head of Department for Computer Studies. From her dashboard, Rachel heads into the Entire Department tab, a space dedicated to providing her with comprehensive subject-wise overviews across her department. Here, she doesn't just see grades, she sees people. For each computer-related subject: Basics of Computing, Introduction to Programming, Data Structures, and Software Development. Rachel is shown the total number of students enrolled, a gender breakdown, how many are male, how many female, and a performance distribution, how many students are outstanding, very good, good, fair, at risk, or critical. This isn't just about numbers, it's about gaining visibility across her team's teaching impact. Are students in Introduction to Programming performing more consistently than those in Data Structures? Is there a gender performance gap in software development? Which subject has the most students in that risk category? By observing these patterns, Rachel can take data-driven action, whether that's offering support to certain teachers, introducing remedial sessions, or identifying successful teaching practices that can be shared across the team. It's a bird's-eye view of the department, but focused enough to make real changes where it matters. Next, Rachel heads over to the Subject Performance tab, where she gains deeper visibility into who's teaching what, and how each subject is performing at a detailed level. Let's take a look. Basics of Computing, taught by Alessia Russo, shows an average score of 62.94, a pass rate of 65.52%, and a grade spread from A to F. Introduction to Programming, led by Elizabeth Elling, has a slightly higher pass rate at 70%, with 16 students scoring an A. Data Structures, taught by Lynn Ma, and Software Development, managed by Adrian Vigier, each have their own patterns in performance, grade distribution, and exam metrics. Rachel uses this data to assess not only student outcomes, but teaching impact, enabling her to mentor teachers where needed, share best practices across the department, and recognize teaching excellence backed by actual performance metrics. With just a glance, she can compare trends and adjust departmental strategies accordingly. Finally, Rachel can access the Student Performance section, offering visibility into all 250 students in her department. She uses filters to dive deeper. By performance status, by class group, or by gender. Let's try it. She filters to see only students marked as very good, and finds 7 students. She then narrows it down further, selecting only grade 11, and is left with just 2 students. This kind of pinpoint insight is crucial for identifying top performers, recommending student mentors, or simply tracking how different class levels are progressing. From this single interface, Rachel can monitor the health of her subjects, evaluate teacher effectiveness, track student achievement, and take informed, data-driven action on everything from mentorship to curriculum changes. As a head of department, Rachel isn't just overseeing performance, she's shaping it. And with dashboards like these, she's doing it with confidence, clarity, and purpose. Now that we've explored the principal's dashboard, we'll go ahead and log out from Simon Gall's account. Next, we're heading into the admin interface, a dedicated space designed for managing the backbone of the school system. Unlike the academic dashboards we've seen so far, the admin panel is all about setup and structure. From here, the administrator can register new students into the system, update core school settings, including configurations that directly affect the public-facing website we saw at the start of this video, and finally, review any unassigned students, those who've been added to the system but haven't yet been placed into a class group. This ensures that no student falls through the cracks during enrollment. This admin space is simple, focused, and efficient, built for day-to-day operational control without needing Django's default admin interface. With that, we've now seen how every layer of the school from student to teacher, HOD to principal, and admin connects seamlessly in this ecosystem. From tracking student progress, to empowering teachers with actionable insights, to giving heads of department the tools to lead strategically, and providing school leadership and admin staff with full operational visibility. What we've just explored is more than a dashboard. It's a complete academic ecosystem, designed to support every role in the school all in one place. Whether you're a subject teacher updating marks, a department head monitoring trends, a principal driving academic excellence, or an admin making sure no student gets left behind, this platform brings clarity, consistency, and control to school management. And at the heart of it all, better learning outcomes for students, and better decisions backed by real data. Education is evolving, and now, so is the way we manage it. Thanks for watching.